So, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Them have to free up the boss.
After, because them boy always say,
Yeah.
I deal with myself.
Yeah.
I disrespect them, I disrespect me overall, you know. Them batty boy police, you know, because them know, say, in a real life, them know me.
You're a killer.
And know, say, which one I live.
Yeah.
After me just allow me to have my room same way, right? I wouldn't feel straight. To go look somewhere else to go and hold a little meds and rest off when
But where tell him? Where tell him?
No, baby. Hey, you see the police at this, man? Eh? Remember me tell you,
Yeah.
judgment over your head here. Remember me told you that, judgment over your head.
Yeah, circle him down.
And me tell you, when me circle with the power of the Father, remember you have to go down. Because more than one want to do that to me, you know. Like disrespect me for no reason at all.
And you're a killer.
And you know, sir, man.
People, so my buck up here, the great Zagazo, the man them free him.
Yeah, you don't know. The boy them not no manners, you know. Because the boy them disrespect me after them sister them victimize out of my own room, you know. Batty boy them, you know. Victimize out of my own room.
Another one.
I'm not a baby. So you know, so I'm there down at town and now still. I'm a wholesale and I hold a order. See, and I try and make you overstand.